This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change your display name on the Twitch app using an iPhone. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am logged into Twitch. To change your display name on Twitch, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then in the upper left-hand corner, I'm going to tap on that little gear wheel. That will open up Settings. Then you want to go down to where it says Account, tap on Account. And then right up here, where it says Edit Profile, tap on Edit Profile. And then you'll scroll down just a little ways, and right here is your display name. You want to tap on Display Name. And right in here, you would change your display name. I'm not going to change my display name, but if I add anything to it, after you've changed it, then you go up to the upper right-hand corner and tap on Save. That is how to change your display name on Twitch. Thanks for watching.